Hi, if you can't take good photos with your phone and all the people around you complaining about your photos, especially your boyfriend or your girlfriend, this video is for you. In this video, I want to show you how to change this to this, step by step. Let's do it together. First of all, you need to change your camera settings. For that, you need to choose the zoom lens and the portrait mode. Why? Because when you choose the zoom lens, it's like you have a long lens. And the benefit of this long lens is you have more blurry background and your subject gets separated from the background. And also portrait mode will help this more and more. The second important thing is lighting, and I would say the most important thing. Whenever you have the good light, you can take a lot of nice photos. For example, you need to know how to use natural light. For example, in this room, I would say you need to face the windows because the natural light comes from the window and your face gets the efficient light and your photos will be more high quality than if the light is on your back or on your side or whatever. And the second option for you is to use artificial lights. For example, I used a light here, which is my field light, and you see two background lights, the one here and the other one is here. I'm using this light here to light myself and also make the background more beautiful. For example, if I just turn off this light, you will see how it happens. I'm completely dark and look at the change. And after applying camera setting plus lighting, you can see how different are these two photos. We applied the key light and the background light, and we changed the camera setting to portrait and to the zoom lens, and you can see how it changed a lot. The thing that most of the people doing it wrong is composition. You need to know where to put your subject. Here, here, there. It's very important and it makes you professional or amateur. It's so important to choose the best background for your subject. For the composition, the simple rule, you can use rule of thirds and it always works for you and your photos gets, I would say, 5 times better than before. Now we check the composition of two photos. The right one has no rules. It's just in the middle and there's nothing. There is so much space on the top and it's just somehow in the center of the photo. And when we check the second photo, I used rule of thirds for this photo, and on the right side you can see I chose the right intersections and I put my head and my body on the right side, and we have the background and it looks way more professional. If you don't know what is rule of thirds, I have very good video about rule of thirds and composition. You can watch them here, I guess. And after that you can use this with your phone and take better pictures. And of course, in the end, you need to edit the colors. You can make everything more beautiful. Bring back the highlights, you can open the shadows, you can make your photos warmer or colder, you can do anything you want. For editing, you can use Lightroom Mobile. At first, I usually adjust the shadows, highlights, and the light. Then I go for the white balance and I fix the white balance. Then here I change the texture, the dehaze to make my photo sharper. Then I use some mask to separate background and foreground. I usually do that because you can see the subject better. I usually make the background darker. Then here I just playing with the background's white balance. I made it a bit of blue, and in the end I made it a bit cinematic and I played with the colors, with the color grading, and it's the result that you see. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to this channel. It makes me more motivated and I will make more beautiful videos for you. See you in next videos.